Welcome to part 3 of our Microsoft Word Advanced Features tutorial series. In this installment, we're going to delve deeper into the world of Microsoft Word, unveiling a host of advanced features that will take your document creation skills to the next level. Throughout parts 1 and 2, we've built a solid foundation by exploring the essentials and more advanced elements of Word. Now, in part 3, we're going to focus on the Insert tabs, Media Group, and the Links group. These tools will empower you to enrich your documents with multimedia content, create efficient navigation through hyperlinks, and enhance document structure with bookmarks and cross-references. Whether you're a seasoned Word user looking to refine your skills or you're just starting your Microsoft Word journey, this tutorial has something valuable for everyone. By the end of part 3, you'll be well equipped to create documents that not only convey your message but also engage and inform your readers effectively. So, let's jump right in and explore these advanced features together. Let's get started with part 3 of our Microsoft Word Advanced Features tutorial. Welcome back to part 3 of our Microsoft Word Masterclass. In this installment, we're diving even deeper into the world of Microsoft Word, exploring a plethora of advanced features that will take your document creation skills to the next level. Whether you're a seasoned Word user or just beginning your journey, this tutorial has something valuable for everyone. Insert Media Group, Online Videos. Let's start by exploring the Media Group within the Insert tab. In this section, we'll show you how to seamlessly embed online videos into your documents. You'll learn to enhance your documents with multimedia content, making your reports, presentations, and newsletters more engaging and informative. In the world of modern document creation, incorporating multimedia elements can significantly enhance the engagement and informativeness of your content. The Insert tab in Microsoft Word offers a convenient media group that allows you to seamlessly embed online videos into your documents. Here's a detailed description of how to make the most of this feature. 1. Accessing the online video option. To get started, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab. Within the media group, you'll find the online video option. Click on it to initiate the video insertion process. 2. Embedding online videos. After selecting online video, you'll be presented with two choices. Of online video, this option allows you to embed videos from popular online platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, or any site that provides an embed code for their videos. B. Video from website. Use this option to insert videos from websites that offer video URLs. Simply paste the URL, and Word will fetch and embed the video. 3. Inserting videos from online platforms. If you choose online video, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to search for videos or insert an embed code. To search for videos, type keywords related to your topic in the search bar. Word will display search results from the chosen online platform. Select the video you want to insert and click the Insert button. The video will be embedded into your document. Four. Inserting videos from web URLs. If you opt for video from website, paste the URL of the video you wish to insert. Click Insert, and Word will fetch the video from the provided URL and place it in your document. 5. Adjusting video size and position. Once the video is inserted, you can resize it by clicking and dragging its corners. To reposition the video, click and drag it to the desired location within your document. 6. Playback and editing. To play the embedded video, simply click on it and a playback toolbar will appear. You can also right-click the video to access additional video playback options and formatting tools. 7. Online connectivity required. It's important to note that to view the embedded online video, your document readers will need an internet connection. The video content is streamed directly from the online source. By adding online videos to your Word documents, you can create dynamic and engaging content for reports, presentations, educational materials, and more. Whether you're sharing informative tutorials or showcasing product demos, this feature empowers you to enrich your documents with multimedia elements, making your content more impactful and visually appealing. Links group, link, bookmark, cross-reference. Next, we'll dive into the links group and discover the power of hyperlinks, bookmarks, and cross-references. You'll learn how to create clickable links to external websites or other sections within your document, making navigation a breeze. We'll also explore bookmarks and cross-references to efficiently navigate and reference specific parts of your document. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the links group within Microsoft Word, a powerful set of tools that allow you to create efficient navigation, cross-references, and bookmarks within your documents. Understanding how to use these features can greatly enhance the organization and readability of your content. Let's explore each of these functions in detail. 1. Creating hyperlinks, link. Hyperlinks are a fundamental element in modern documents, enabling you to connect your readers to external websites, other documents, or specific sections within your own document. Here's how to create hyperlinks. Select text or object, highlight the text or select the object, example an image, that you want to turn into a hyperlink. Insert hyperlink in the links group, click on link. This opens a dialog box where you can specify the hyperlink's destination. You can link to a web page, another document, an email address, or a specific place within your document. Web page: if you're linking to a web page, simply enter the URL. Existing file or web page: to link to another document or file, browse and select the file. Place in this document: to create a link within the same document, select Place in this document and choose the section or heading you want to link to. Email address: if you want to create an email link, enter the email address. Screen tip: optional, you can provide a screen tip that appears when users hover over the hyperlink. This is helpful for providing additional context. Okay, once you've set up the hyperlink, click OK to create it. 2. Using bookmarks. Bookmarks are essential for quickly navigating within lengthy documents or referencing specific sections. Here's how to create bookmarks. Select text or location, highlight the text or place your cursor at the location where you want to set a bookmark. Insert bookmark in the links group, click on bookmark. Give your bookmark a meaningful name and click Add. Navigate to bookmarks. To jump to a bookmark location within your document, use the Go to feature under the Find menu, Ctrl+G. Select the bookmark from the list, and Word will take you there. 3. Cross-referencing. Cross-references are incredibly useful for linking to specific headings, figures, tables, or numbered items within your document. They automatically update when your document structure changes. Here's how to create cross-references. Insert cross-reference, place your cursor where you want to insert the cross-reference. In the links group, click on cross-reference. In the dialog box, choose what you want to cross-reference, example headings, figures, tables. Select the specific item you want to reference. Choose the desired format for the cross-reference, such as the heading text or the number. Click Insert, and Word will create the cross-reference. If your document structure changes, example, you add or remove headings, the cross-references will automatically update to reflect these changes. Mastering the links group features in Microsoft Word can significantly improve the navigation and readability of your documents. Whether you're creating reports, academic papers, or any other type of document, these tools will help you create professional, well-structured content. Comments Group, Comments. Effective collaboration is crucial, and the Comments Group allows you to leave, track, and manage comments within your document. Learn how to provide feedback, suggestions, and annotations, streamlining the review process whether you're working on a team project or receiving input from colleagues and clients. Comments are an essential tool for effective collaboration and document editing, whether you're working on a team project, receiving feedback from colleagues, or reviewing and revising your own work. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use the Comments group to streamline the review and editing process in your Word documents. 1. Inserting comments. To add a comment to a specific part of your document, select the text or place your cursor at the location you want to comment on. In the Comments group on the Review tab, click on New Comment. This will create a comment bubble in the margin, along with a highlighted section of text corresponding to your comment. Type your comment in the comment bubble. You can provide feedback, ask questions, make suggestions, or note any necessary revisions. 2. Reviewing comments. To view existing comments in your document, navigate to the Review tab and click on Show Comments. This will display all comments in the margin, making them easy to access and work with. Click on a comment to select it, and Word will automatically highlight the corresponding text in the document. This feature helps you quickly identify which part of the document a comment relates to. 3. Responding to comments. To respond to a comment, simply click on it to select it. You can then type your response directly within the comment bubble. This interactive commenting system facilitates back-and-forth discussions among collaborators, making it easy to address questions or suggestions. 4. Editing and resolving comments. Once you've addressed a comment or made the necessary revisions, you can resolve the comment. Click on the comment and then click Resolve in the comment bubble's top right corner. Resolved comments are archived, but you can still access them by clicking Show Comments if needed. 5. Deleting comments. If a comment is no longer relevant or required, you can delete it. Click on the comment and then click the Delete option within the comment bubble. 6. Tracking changes. Comments work seamlessly with Word's Track Changes feature, which allows you to see and accept or reject edits and comments made by others. To enable track changes, go to the Review tab and click on Track Changes. You can then see all edits and comments made in the document. 7. Finalizing comments. Before finalizing your document, it's a good practice to review and resolve all comments to ensure that all feedback and revisions have been addressed. Leveraging the Comments group in Microsoft Word streamlines the collaborative editing process and ensures that all feedback is properly addressed. Whether you're working on a school project, a professional report, or any other document, mastering comments is a valuable skill for effective document editing and collaboration. That concludes Part 3 of our Microsoft Word Advanced Features tutorial. We've delved deep into the Insert tab's Media group and the Links group, uncovering the capabilities to enhance your documents with multimedia and improve navigation. But the adventure isn't over yet. In Part 4, we have another exciting segment waiting for you. We'll explore the comments group, header and footer group, text group, and the fascinating world of symbols, including equations and symbols. These features will further empower you to create professional, visually appealing, and structurally sound documents. So, stay tuned for part 4, where we'll continue our journey through the advanced features of Microsoft Word. Get ready to unlock even more potential and elevate your document creation skills to new heights. See you in the next installment.